Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel after a long time having gaping. Today I'm gonna demonstration how to create an English sentence in very easy, without any difficulty, without any problem. That is, first and foremost, I wanna question you, that is how to create an English sentence in very easy and very simple way without according to grammatically English sentence. The tense is very important for in English speaking, so I gonna demonstration about the tenses, how to create English sentence according to grammatically. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. First and foremost, there is I have keep in my notebook. There is I'm keeping here notebook. Let's demonstration now. First and foremost, the first thing is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite, there's a pattern about using present indefinite tense. That is, I'm gonna show you in this screen, and that is, you can see subject plus verb first form. Suppose a verb is formed into four part: present tense or base form, past tense, past participle, and present participle. Okay, the pattern is subject plus first verb plus object. Every sentence, every English sentence or any sentence, there should be subject and verb and plus what is that, object. Suppose example, I write or I read, I eat. Everything there is subject plus verb plus object. I eat mango. Mango is a object here in this sentence. Mango is a object and I is subject, and it's a main verb. It is a main verb. First form, eat, ate, eaten, eating. So I use here first form of the verb. Okay, it's gone. Now let's see about present continuous tense. Present continuous is very common in our speaking language, so it's a very important things we have to know. So the pattern is here is I will show in the screen. Subject plus verb, be verb. We have many form of be verb. Example, be. So suppose a sentence that is I am. Here is am is a be verb. That's all. Subject plus be verb plus verb. In present continuous tense, verb is here placed in four form, that is base form, past tense, past participle, and again what was that, present participle. Here is placed present participle. Present participle is adding ing, that means gerund, and then plus object, subject plus be verb plus verb for form plus object. Example, I'm watching TV, he is playing guitar, that's all, etc. And again it's gone. Now let's see about the present perfect tense. present perfect tense, the pattern is subject plus have or has. How we can use about have and has? There's a difference. Okay, I will show in a later. So subject plus have or has plus verb third form plus object. For example, I have done my duty. Done is a third form of the verb, and my duty, suppose my duty is an object. I use here as duty is my object in the sentence. So again, he has finished his work. It's an example. So it's gone. Let's see about present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous is also like that. So the pattern is here subject plus have been or has been plus verb fourth form, that is fourth form. Here is plus fourth form plus object. So I'm here demonstrate example. I have been doing my homework since morning. It's an example. Or they have been playing football. It's an example. So and it's finished. Now let's pass to the past tense. First and foremost, that is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense pattern is subject plus verb second form. Example, verb eat, ate. Ate is a second form. Here is place. Subject plus verb, that is second form plus object. Example, I went to Guwahati, or you made cake. That is example. I hope you can grasp the what I am saying here. So let's pass to the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, the pattern is subject plus was or were. Was is a singular form, but where is a plural form. We can use in plural. So subject plus was or were plus verb form for form ing. That means for form means ing. Hope you understand. Example is I was playing. Here is I. If in place of I, we can use you. If here is you, then was will sense into where. So that's my example. I was drawing a girl, or they were fighting for a girl. Interesting. So let's pass to the next past perfect tense. Past perfect tense pattern is here subject plus had, or subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. The example is I had eaten, he had fan he had fan a picture or a drawing. So like that. Let's see about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous, here is a pattern. Pattern is subject plus have been plus verb fourth form. Fourth form means I have told you, that is gerund. That means ing. Subject plus have been plus verb fourth form. Fourth form means gerund. Example is I had been waiting for you. That's the example. And another one is he had been making fun. That's all. Okay, let's see about future tense. Future tense is first and foremost. Let's see about future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense, the pattern is here subject plus shall or will plus verb first form, that is here is first form. In every indefinite tense, whether it is in past tense, whether or past tense, no, I'm sorry. Subject plus shall or will plus verb first form plus verb maba object. Sorry, I will do it. I will come here, or she will come here. That's all. And then next, future continuous tense. Future continuous, here is pattern. Pattern is subject plus will be, shall be plus verb, that is for form gerund plus object. I shall be meeting tomorrow, that is the example. And another one, what will be, they will be winning in the match, that's the example. That's all. And again, future tense is pattern is here, subject plus will have, shall have plus verb, that is there is third form plus object. Example is here, I shall have eaten rice, she will have cooked curry. That's all. And again, one more, that is future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous is here is a pattern, subject plus will have been, shall have been plus verb for form plus object. The example, there is example. I have note here in my notebook, so I will tell you. I shall have been making toy. I shall have been making toy, and you will have been cleaning home. That's so. Finished. Our topic is finished right now. In the upcoming videos, I will use Bodo language. Now you can enjoy with me. So here's I will screen. I will capture and keep in a screen. So that's all enough for today. I'm gonna end this video. So